Hey everybody, well, welcome to the airport and another video. Do have to start off by saying, hey, it's been really busy lately. You know, getting MJets up and making sure we're doing building a company that's going to be a great one. So I haven't been filming a lot, and I do apologize. I owe that to you guys. You guys are an incredible audience. So first off, let me just apologize for that. We're making a lot of progress with MJets. I think it's going to be a great place to work and a good product that we're going to put out to people. So thanks again for staying patient. We're going to have another video today, and actually we get to fly with another good buddy of mine that I have flown with all around the world, and I will introduce him here in just a second. You know, there is one more thing that I do have to do, public service announcement. Hey guys, I don't have a Telegram account. I know a couple of you have been, a few of you have been reached out by me on Telegram. Yeah, I don't have a Telegram account. I have an Instagram account and a YouTube account. That's it, that's all I do. So yeah, if you get someone trying to be me, telegramming you or whatever they do and asking for some money, that's not me. Just be aware, be vigilant. There's a lot of shysters out there.
Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
All right guys, hey, we are back on the airplane. As you notice, I'm actually sitting in the back, and I have one of my best friends in the world. I get to fly with my friends a lot, so whenever I get to fly with some guys, it's awesome. This person I've actually met when I first went into pilot training, and he helped me out a ton. He was an instructor, first assignment instructor pilot, FAPE, and but he's great. I call him Knucklehead number one of my friends, but he's also the vice president of MJets. So that's how much I value him and his opinion and his knowledge. He's the number 2 guy in the company. So without further ado, Dustin.
Good afternoon, everybody. Pleasure to be here.
Dustin has a great journey in his flying career. Air Force Academy, flew KC-10s, came and flew with us in the Air National Guard there at the Copperheads, and now he's here at Southwest. But just a lot of brains in that melon up there. He's extremely wicked smart, and which is the reason why he's our vice president, because he's much smarter than me. But we're gonna have a good time. We are actually deadheading in this first leg to head to Salt Lake City, and then from there we start our trip, and we got 4 legs after that. So we'll let you guys know what's going on in the cockpit. We'll pick his brain and kind of some of his journey. His son is actually at UND as well, up in Grand Forks. First semester, right?
First semester.
Yeah, so shout out Josh up there at UND.
What's up, Josh?
But yeah, we'll pick his brain, we'll get some more info. We got 2 days to fly with him, so it's gonna be fun. All right, thanks for playing along, Dusty.
Looking forward to it.
I did Dusty's walk around for him.
Very generous man.
Yes, I need more praise.
Most generous man I've flown with today.
There you go. Anyways, guys, we are heading to Las Vegas. Vegas. So here's our route on our way down. There is, like we said before, coming up, there's some storms out there, and this is a little turbulence plot, or the convective plot, just basically saying, hey, there's storms out there, watch out. So let the flight attendants know. We'll see if we can get them up for service. But on the way up from Phoenix, it was a bit bumpy, and we actually went over by Vegas to come up. So we'll see. Vegas, baby Vegas, is actually looking pretty good as far as the weather goes. So nice day out there. It's 93 degrees and a little bit of gusty wind, so maybe we'll use runway 19. I don't know, but flying with one of my good buddies. I've been doing that a lot, so it's actually pretty good.
Hopefully I'm only sitting in this seat for a little bit
longer,
that's true.
So
it's a small window where you and I can fly together.
He is getting very close to upgrade, so he is licking his, you can see some of the drool right there, right? Like he's drooling, ready to go. I know, I mean, I was in that, right, 10.5 years in that seat, so I was ready to upgrade when my name got called, but
I think I'll be just over 8.
Just over 8?
Yeah.
Oh, see? Well, it's coming down.
Shorter.
It's getting down.
They're saying, what, 6?
6, probably next year. So, come on out. Come on out. All right, guys, we're gonna hit it, do our briefings, check out some more weather stuff, and then we're gonna be gone. But yeah, nice terminal, man. Salt Lake has a really, really nice terminal up there. Really good food too. We're foodie, so I like food. All right, guys, we'll see you in Vegas. And just like that, we are here in Vegas. Charlie 22, it's a good gate. If you go to Charlie 22, Payway is just right out there, so you can get some good good grindage if you want some lunch.
Some grindage.
Yes, a hot meal. But otherwise, our right over there is where our crew, our pilot lounge is, so you can warm up some food, which I brought some food today, so I might do that. But anyways, bunch of weather out there. We had to go around, do this little jink there and then around, and then we landed on runway 26, left, exited Alpha 6 straight across, and we got in pretty quick. So it's a quick one on our way to Long Beach next, and it's going to be Dusty's Lake. Yeah, it's a big day. So we had, man, we started in Phoenix, Salt Lake, here, Long Beach, Sacramento, and then we'll be back in San Diego for the night. So good stuff. One leg down, well, actually 2 legs down. First leg I don't count because it's deadhead leg, but
Those in for dollars.
Those are for dollars. So we're gonna get it ready. We'll show you guys what the next clearance is here.
29 degrees. We appreciate you choosing Southwest for the fleet.
I was a little late on that. Do apologize, but anyways, we're gonna head over to Long Beach. Just did our briefing and pulling it up here. Well, like I said, we're just basically heading straight down south. 42 minutes, and we'll be at an altitude of 28,000 feet. Really short one. This man is flying. So
My leg.
we're here. Hey, check this out. I love Long Beach. Look at this. Really cool. It's like old school. So see, you could have your lunch right there while you're waiting for your flight, and boom, there you go. Let's say I had a really good landing. It was
Lucky every now and again.
it was good. I give them 4.5 stars. Gotta give them half
Is it out of 5 or 10?
half of it's out of 5. So
Okay,
half a star less, just to give him continual improvement that he can work on. Anyways, guys, easy flight. Just on the way down, we had 2 pieces of two weather positions here that we just had to go around. If you look, those were the only 2 cells on our flight, and they were right in the middle of our flight path. But Dusty handled it like a champ, and we got here. So all right, we're gonna do our magic, wash, rinse, repeat. We'll probably see you guys in San Diego. Okay, welcome to San Diego, our last leg, and it is overcast skies, but yeah, real thin layer. Dusty did a really good job. Nice touchdown. If he doesn't get some props with the passengers on the way out, you're not going to impress him then. So we are done. 5 legs today. That's
Enough.
That's enough. So we are done. We're gonna hit it, relax. We got 17 hours off here in San Diego, so may go do something, but definitely getting some fish tacos.
Nice.
All right, guys. Have a good night. We'll see you in the morning.